Yeah, let's go, boss up, baby. We back with another one to help you level up out the 9 to 5 rat race by finding these gig jobs, finding side hustles, starting your own business, learning a little money making plays. We're about that on this channel, but primarily we talk about the courier space and gig apps. And you see the title, you see the thumbnail. This is the way I find the top paying, the most used, the most profitable, the most sought after gig apps in the industry. If you guys are interested in information, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and shout me out in the comment section what city and state you are listening and looking at this from. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and all that good stuff. So, look, Google Play Store. Google Play has the most courier gig apps. Why? Because they are more unregulated, like Apple App Store. It's more hoops and things you got to go through to get into Apple App Store, but for Google Play, not so much. So Courier Partner, Simpex, Shipped, Curry Driver, Roadie, Amazon Flex, Postmates. Then we get into some of the unknown and some of the ones that you haven't really seen so much. Brozo, Courier, Brozo, Trust. Of course, we got DoorDash, WeFast, Parcel app. This is like more international. So, especially for my international viewers looking at this in other countries, these are the best way to find apps in your area and to find the apps in those little known cities, those smaller markets. OnFleet is a app that you get once you start working for the actual company. They will give you an OnFleet link, and then they usually send out routes through OnFleet. I use that with MedZoomer. I use this with and a couple of other medical courier companies as well. GoPuff is great for delivering food, those small things. Seeing this Borzo twice, so let's go ahead and see what Borzo is about. Got 1 million downloads, so they definitely have work out there. We Fast, Mr. Speedy, look like they bought out a couple of other companies. Good rating. Here you go soon. Of course, most of the bad ratings come in. Look like some Indian people. Is this? I'm gonna have to go to their website and see what they talking about. Let me see if they on the Apple Play Store. See these guys on the app. This might be a foreign company only. But if you're driven for any of these companies, let me know. Yes, they are on the. Yeah, this looks like Indian, primarily Indian company, India, Philippines. Yeah, I don't think this one's in the U.S. actually. Well, that version of the app is. We got AfterShift, Postmates, Trust. Yeah, look at these guys. Most of these guys look Indian. Corel, Simpex. So see some of the top apps. Of course, they got a lot more. Let's see if we just type in delivery app. We got DoorDash. Most of the food delivery apps are coming up first. Yelp. Why is Yelp coming up? Ship is a great company. They have a contract with Target, especially this time of year, delivering last minute Christmas gifts. You can pick up some ships and make some good money. Deliveroo. This is a new one for me. Deliveroo. I wonder if they are an Australian-based company. Deliveroo. Okay, this is a new one. All right. Over 10 million downloads. All right. Deliveroo Rider, and they got Deliveroo Rider. Okay, this is the one you will need to actually get the money. Deliveroo Rider. Oh, got some complaints. course, all the complaints are from people who have complaints. No one who's satisfied with the app ever leaves reviews, so that's kind of a skewed metric. But they got over 1 million downloads, over 40,000 reviews. Just a great way to check out and see what they're all about. All right, we'll make this video too long than it needs to be. This is the way I find gig apps. You can do the same thing with the iOS iPhone app store. Just type in delivery apps, courier apps, medical courier apps, and you can find the top ones in your area. The top 10 apps, the ones with the most downloads, are the ones you want to download and get started with. All right, till next time. Later. And how do I start recording? How do we start recording? Yo.